is wrong with the hold the line strategy? Simple, can only go so far. Right now, there are just two stocks that are being kept higher, GameStop and AMC. GameStop's buoyed by the hope that a new board member can shake things up, certainly enough to justify the stock's 900% move. AMC's up 400% and maintaining altitude based on a belief that the short sellers have to be wrong and the stock can rally. It's because it's the last movie theater standing. However, in the last 2 business days, both AMC and GameStop have made expanded moves to issue new stock so they can raise cash. The former wants to shore up the balance sheet. The latter wants to give management more firepower to turn things around. AMC is looking for authorization to sell 500 million shares or $5 billion worth of stock. Now, they most likely won't use that. Not the full amount. That'd be wrong. But at least CEO Adam Aron's thinking big and won't have to ask permission again if he wants to go back to the well. He can be ready for any spike in the stock, sell, or drop in attendance. Whoa, raise money. GameStop's only offering less than $1 billion worth of stock and doing so at the market, not in a block, in part because they don't want to hurt the share price. Now, I immediately, when I read about both these, well, Adam did it on did it on Squawk on the Street, but I applauded these moves. AMC has some very expensive debt that I really, really don't like. And Adam Aron can buy it back at a huge discount, something that would give its earnings a huge boost, even if you account for the dilution. Aron told me that he can use these shares to help beat the short sellers who play havoc with the stock. GameStop wants the money to give itself more options. Hey, look, the future's grim for brick-and-mortar video game retailers, right? So they either need to make an acquisition to change their stripes, or maybe they try something totally new. Maybe Gaming Palace is filled with esports players who are competing for cryptocurrency. If you care about the future of either company or the long-term trajectory of their stocks, issuing shares up here is the right move. But the hold the line crowd, they hate these offerings. Oh, boy, and they despise anyone who defends them. The way they see it, the companies are stabbing them in the back and siding with the short sellers. Wrong! That is totally wrong! AMC and GameStop need money. Raising capital is good for both companies, and over the long haul, what's good for the company should be good for the stock. Believe me, none of these executives wants to see their shares to go lower. But thanks to the paranoid style of American investing, anyone who defends these moves is getting raked over the coals on social media.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.